Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Diva from PBI2B. Now I will read a poem entitled The Beauty of Nature. The beauty of nature. Beyond the bright horizon's edge, the sun rises with soft rays, a sky dotted with clouds, welcoming morning's hopeful gaze. The trees sway gently in the breeze, their leaves a-tremble, rustling clear, while rivers flow, serene and clear, compassing melodies we hold dear. Majestic mountains rise into grace, guarding nature's deep, sacred lore. This beauty and unmatched embrace, Radiates an aura we adore. In every corner of this vast earth, nature whispers peace profound. The smiling sun, which I cherish in my heart, so that this beauty lasts forever. Okay, that's poems I can read. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.